G'day guys, Robbo here again. Welcome to another food video. In this video, I've been down to the Off the Rail Cafe here in Thirlmere, New South Wales, my hometown. And I've got myself a bacon and egg roll. And yes, I am doing a comparison to yesterday's. And I will be doing that in the next two videos as well with other items. And I've got a magpie right next to me right now. Hello, this magpie. I think it wants my food. And I think I jinxed myself yesterday actually. I said that I like it when the egg's nice and runny. And it's very runny on this one. So there it is. And this one's actually got 3 pieces of bacon, 2 eggs. And this magpie won't leave me alone. What are you doing, Mr. Magpie? And it's absolutely covered in runny yolk. It's got barbecue sauce too. I think the runny yolk's making up for a lot of the sauce. It's a very soggy burger, but I'm sure it's going to taste great. Actually, that's very nice. The runny egg mixed in with the barbecue sauce. Fantastic. Except for the fact I'm getting covered in it. $12 for this. What are you doing, Mr. Magpie? I'll show you guys in a minute if it stays here. But yeah, so it's got, let's say, 3 pieces of bacon, 2 eggs, $12. It's pretty good. So straight up, size and the price, I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10. And the taste. It tastes amazing. And this gives you a lot more, they give you a lot more fat on the bacon. And off the rail. So if you like fat on your egg and bacon roll, you're better off going to Off the Rail. Now I haven't done a rating for taste yet. I can't really fault this, so I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. They do it just the way I like it. Plenty of ingredients. So I'm very happy. And before I get too messy with it, because it's smothered in sauce and runny egg, I'm going to get going. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share out the video, send a super thanks if you really like the video, become a member to help out the channel financially. All money goes back into the channel, especially for the food reviews. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.